Welcome to Alan's Trains. Today we're going to look at the Lima collection, number 37, the National Eisteddfod, or Eisteddfod Genedlaethol.
Okay.
Well, we're going to unbox this and here we go. So now we've removed it from the box and we're going to put it on the track. Anyway.
Quite a pretty loco in Regional Railways livery. For a loco like this, you'd be paying a lot less than you would pay if you purchased something from Bachmann or Hornby. See at the front of the loco, it's got a large D-type coupling, and of course there are no lights at the front of the model, although there is a depiction of lights. There's no interior detail in the cab, but for the price you'd be paying about £50, it's worth it. Looking at this loco closer to, we see it has number 37429, and here the handrails which are separately fitted, which is a plus point. Here is the nameplate Eisteddfod Genedlaethol, which means National Eisteddfod, which is a good thing to collect if you are a Welsh speaker. Dysgu Cymraeg. It says Regional Railways. Here there is what appears to be an extra grille. And again the separately fitted handrails. Looking along the top of the roof of the locomotive, we see there's quite a lot of detail picked out, and there is a fan grille picked out. I don't really know whether this is a separately fitted component or not. I think it's just part of the moulding. Can't tell. Looking at the underside of the loco, we see that it's the bog standard ring-fueled motor with traction tyres. So nothing to write home about there. Going along to the other bogie, we see they're just freewheeling. So only one bogie is powered, which is usual for this kind of loco.